Okay, so right now I'm getting ready to take out the anode rod. Anode rod is basically a long rod made of a magnesium or aluminum that basically sacrifices itself so the corrosion doesn't beat up your water heater. So I have a hose.
There you go.
It goes from here. Oh, there we go. Put your water hose in right here, and you turn that valve right there, and I got it draining out there, and we'll take a look at that in a minute. But now, what I'll do is I'm getting ready to unscrew this anode rod, so you guys can take a look and see what it looks like. Here we go.
All right.
I'm ready to take out the anode rod and show you what it looks like. Let's pull this out. It's a long rod. I'll show you the. Come on. This thing is. It's pretty hot. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, this is horrible. This is horrible, guys.
Yeah, what's that? You.
Goodness. So that's weird. I mean, baby.
Yeah. So,
at least not the size of
this is what that anode rod looks like. Absolutely disgusting. See that?
This is
Let's
the
get a zoom in on that one. Look, it's hot too. You see the steam coming off of it?
So, nah.
Why would you touch it?
Now, this is what you want your anode rod to look like.
That is nasty. Hey.
So
First, that's a
That's really dry.
this is
yeah.
brand new. This is used. So this is why it's important that
45 years in that thing.
Dad comes in here and get this corrosion off, because this is what we're dealing with. And this is, oh, you can tell it is sacrificing itself. You can tell right here because it's black, and there's no telling how long this been in there. So if your water has an egg smell, or you're starting to notice that your water's hard or something like that. Hard water, we have hard water down here in Texas. So that's why that looks like that. It is absolutely disgusting. We've been taking it back with this. I'm just kidding. But you know what? This right here, we're gonna use this as a replacement.
Big change.
Yeah, huge difference. That impact wrench really needed that. I have no idea how I would have got that out. But
It's like those YouTube videos.
what we're gonna do is, the way you replace that, you come over here for a second. See that? I took that anode rod out. Now you're starting to get, you see that stuff in the water? You see that? You don't want to see that in the water. It's coming out. You see? And if I dump it, it fills back up. I was taking that stuff out of there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the water on. Once I see this all drained out, I'm gonna turn the water on and turn the water off. And all that sediment at the bottom of that tank, it's gonna agitate it at the bottom. Scoop it. It's gonna agitate it at the bottom, and you're gonna see it drain out the hose line. So this is what we want. This is what we want right here. So let me show Mama, and the way you would want to install this is you want to put some of your tape around here, like so. We'll just do this. See, right quick. Put some tape around here like that. And I don't know why people call it this, but they call it pipe dope. Whatever. But it's actually just called pipe compound. And I'm just line this out. This is basically gonna create a sealant or some type of tape to help with the seal, but just wrap it around here like this. Break that piece off. You can take some of your compound. This is what it looks like. It's your pipe joint compound. You just put it on here. Like that.
That's fine.
You're just gonna put it around here, screw it back in. Alright. Alright guys. That's the end of the video. Hope you learned something.
Subscribe.